The sanding pads are secured to your drywall sander with a special flange nut. The plastic nut sits very low so it won't contact the wall while you sand. Over time, the plastic threads will wear and the nut will need to be replaced. Replacing the nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut from the sander. Now reinstall the new nut. And that's how simple it is to install a new nut on your drywall sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.